Guys, today let's have a look how messenger RNA vaccine works. Specifically, we'll have a look how this vaccine is working in relation to the COVID-19 vaccine. So to start with, to trigger a certain immune response, many vaccines they put a weakened or inactivated germs into our body, but that's not the case for messenger RNA vaccine. As you know, messenger RNA is it is a genetic material that tells your body how to make a protein. So, in case of the vaccine, the messenger RNA vaccine use a messenger RNA which is created in the laboratory to teach our cells how to make a protein, and that protein will trigger an immune response inside our body. So that immune response which produce an antibody is what protects us from getting infected from the real virus which is entering into our body. If we look for the case of the COVID-19 messenger RNA vaccine, assume this is given in the upper arm muscle, then the messenger RNA will enter into the muscle cells, and then it will instruct the cell machinery to produce harmless piece of what is called the spike protein. And normally this spike protein is found on the surface of the virus that cause the COVID-19. After the protein pieces is made, our cell is break down the messenger RNA and remove it. So what's next? Next, our cell display the spike protein pieces on their surface, and our immune system recognize that the protein does not belong to there. Therefore, they trigger our immune system to produce antibody, and they try to activate our immune cells to fight off what is it thinks is an infection. So this is why your body fights, your body try to fight off the infection if you get sick with COVID-19. At the end of the process, our body have learned how to protect against a future infection from the virus that causes COVID-19. So what will be the benefit of this COVID-19 messenger RNA vaccine? Like all vaccines, the vaccinated individual will get a protection without having a very serious consequences or a very serious risks to them. Maybe any temporary discomfort might be experienced after they get that vaccine, but which is natural part of the process, which is an indication that the vaccine is working.